All right, so I know you guys wrote this down yesterday in class, but I just want to kind of go over it really quickly. So basically, we use these sum and difference identities to find the exact value, so like the non-decimal value of numbers that aren't going to lie on the unit circle. So like on the unit circle, we have 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, and so on all the way around, right? But sometimes we need an exact value for things that aren't right on there. So like, for example, 15 degrees, right? But we can write 15 degrees as a sum or difference of things that we have on the unit circle. So for example, if we use 45 degrees and 30 degrees, so we had 45 minus 30, gives us 15. So basically, we're just going to be plugging in these values into these formulas to find the exact values of angle measurements that aren't directly on our unit circle. So let's say, for example, we want to find the cosine of 15 degrees. So like I said a minute ago, we can write 15 degrees as cosine of 45 minus 30, right? So this means we're using that sum and difference formula. So again, where 45 is A, cosine is B. Oh my gosh, 45 is A and 30 is B. So it's cosine 45 times cosine 30 plus sine 45 times sine 30. Now, if you notice in our cosine formula, right, in the original one, it gave you a plus minus here and then a minus plus here. So if you have a minus plus, that just means you're using the opposite sign of what you're given. So since we started with a minus here, this changes to a plus. Now, to get these exact values, you want to look at your unit circle. So the cosine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Right? Cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Sine of 45 is also square root of 2 over 2. Sorry guys, my pencil's dying. And sine of 30 is 1/2. So multiplying these together, square root of 2 times square root of 3 becomes square root of 6 over 4. And then we get square root of 2 over 4, which we can combine together to be square root of 6 plus square root of 2 over 4. Right, so we cannot combine these together. You can only add radicals together if they have the same number inside. So this would be your final answer. All right, so this should be enough to get you guys through the sine and cosine parts of numbers 1, 2, and 5. I will do tangent with you guys tomorrow when I come back. Just because the plugging the numbers in is simple. If you guys want to get to the point where you can like plug in and get to like here, the simplifying part for tangent gets a little tricky just because it's some stuff from Algebra 2 we haven't done in a while. And I just want to be able to answer your questions and go over that with you guys and not do it in a video because you're going to have a lot of questions. So just get through as much as you can. So like on 1, 2, and 5, get through at least A and B on those today. And then we will work on tangents together when I come back tomorrow.